Unleash the power of self-help in ServiceNow with AI integrated support. Imagine this. Your users are in the midst of a problem, and your ServiceNow chatbot or virtual agent pops up, offering a helping hand. The immediate response may temporarily soothe frustration, but to keep users coming back, they need to feel rewarded. What is more rewarding than serving up videos that are scientifically proven to help you remember and perform tasks more efficiently? Welcome to the Knowledge Accelerators ServiceNow Video Knowledge Base. When you implement our AI-generated tagging, you're not just organizing your content, you're helping users discover new information and enabling your virtual agent to make more meaningful recommendations. Getting to the right video at the right time is essential. Our brains respond to multimedia visuals faster and better than any other type of learning or support material. That's why we offer the world's largest self-help IT video library. Whether you use our standard video library or have us build custom videos, we will make your virtual agent smarter and your users happier, so they can come back for more. So, are you ready to boost your self-service usage? Utilize our AI-enhanced knowledge base to empower your success and innovation today.